Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Beko brand dishwasher and it's acting funny or giving you an error code or something like that, and you just want to do a hard reset on it in order to get things back to the way they were. So there's really two ways to do this. The first way is, and depending on the model, this works or it doesn't. So the first way is if you got to make sure that there's nothing running on it. So you want it to be on, and you want to press and hold the start-stop button for 3 seconds. And by start and stopping for 3 seconds, that will clear out whatever job that it's on, and it will just be in standby mode. Once you do that, you release the button, and then you press and hold it again for like 5 to 7 seconds, and then you will see it will blink and it will go through a reset cycle. If that doesn't work, there is always the old faithful reset, which is just to turn it off, unplug it from the wall, or if you can't get to the plug, just turn it off at the circuit breaker and leave it off for at least a minute. And if you can leave it off longer, that gives the circuits more time to clear out. Then once you turn it on, it will be reset. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.